Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making salmon bite pasta. First we're going to start in a heated pan. We're going to saute some minced garlic. Next we're going to add some fresh spinach. Saute your spinach with your garlic until it's soft. Saute that for about 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we're going to add some heavy cream to our pan. Mix your spinach and garlic in the heavy cream. Once your heavy cream is warmed up, go ahead and start seasoning. We're going to use some chili powder, we're also going to add some garlic powder. Next, we're going to add some fresh coarse black pepper, a pinch of salt. We're going to mix those seasonings in very well. I add some turmeric powder for the color. Once that's mixed in, add some mozzarella cheese. Mix your cheese in while it's melting. I add a little extra black pepper and other seasonings you can add to your taste. I also add some fresh parsley for a garnish. Mix that in as well. Now for my salmon, I use a cast iron skillet. I heat up some oil. And I have some Coho salmon. It's so good. I cut my salmon into bite-sized pieces and I saute that for about, I would say 3 to 4 minutes for both sides. Once the other side is cooked and toasted to your liking, flip. Once your pasta noodles are ready, add that to your pasta sauce. Mix that very well until each pasta shell is coated. Once that's done, you're all set. Top it with your salmon and you're good to go.